Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Jason Walden, Tools and Machining, back with another video for you guys. We got something pretty neat here to show you, so check it out. Alright guys, what we've got going on here, I've got a project that I'm working on for Brad over at Brads Workbench, and what he's wanting me to make is a wood burning stamp for him. And he sent me a picture of what he's wanting it to look like. We'll go ahead and insert a picture of that here. Okay, and what I've done is I've got it drawn out in CAD, a mirror image, and then posted the program for it. Here's the tool path, and then here's the program file itself. Okay, we're going to be doing this on a Mazak vertical CNC mill, and what the plan is, go ahead and go back to the tool path here. Okay, the plan is to use this number 2 center drill and just go in and basically trace these lines all out on a piece of material. Okay, what I've got here, I've got this piece of D2 tool steel. Is what we're going to cut it out of. So that is the plan. So we'll check back in when we get a little bit get it started here. Okay, we've got our material loaded up in the vise. I've got my center drill loaded up here. My program's loaded. I've got my work offsets caught. So we're ready to fire this thing up. See what happens. Alright guys. It's in there doing it. It's cutting right now. It's kind of hard to see. The glass here is real blurry. But I've got my center drill tracing it all out. We'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, here we go. Blow it off, see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Ended up going 25 thousandths deep. I think we'll leave it right there. We need to get it on a sanding block. It's got some burrs on the top. We need to take off, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, I've got this sanded down nice and smooth on the surface here. So the plan is to go in on a Bridgeport, put this on a Bridgeport, and take this 1/4 inch end mill and take this around and cut this down, get up as close to the letters and my shapes here, get up as close to the lines as we can, like up in the corners. Obviously you're not going to be able to it's only going to be able to get so close up in, you know, corners like right here, here. So with the end mill, we'll take out as much as possible Okay, and then we'll go in with this pencil grinder and finish out the edges with this. And we'll just try to do our best to color inside the lines, so to speak, and to get it to where we've just got where the wrench and the letters and this square here is raised. So that's our plan. We'll let you know what happens. Alright guys, sorry it's been a while since I've made an update. I've got quite a bit done here since the last time I've recorded anything. I've already got this all cut out, and see the color's kind of changed because I've already heated it up with a torch and tested it. But what I've done here is went ahead and cut it down on a bandsaw, and then just went in and milled the edges through, and then milled the back side down, and then chamfered all the edges. Okay, and then had obviously went in like what I was talking about the last time that I had videoed here. Went in with a 1/4 inch end mill and got all this down up as close as I could, and then finished it out with the little grinder, and it came out pretty good. Like I said, I've already tested it. Here's the test piece. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've sent Brad a picture of it, and he's happy with it. So that's what we like to hear. So pretty much the only thing left to do now is to make a handle for this. I'm gonna try to make a handle fairly long. You know, that way obviously he can use it and not burn the crap out of himself. Yeah, we'll probably make a handle, you know, try to make a nice handle about 8 inches long or so, and weld that to it. So we'll see you guys back again with another update. Okay, we've got some material picked out here for a handle. So kind of what I'm planning on doing here is we've got these 2 rods here. This is going to be our hand handle. I've got the yellow marks on here where it's approximately how long that the handle itself is going to be. And then my plan is to make these rods to where they bolt on to the handle here, and then I'll just weld once the handle's made, we'll just weld the 2 rods to the stamp itself here. So that's the plan. And then on the handle here, I'm planning on putting some grooves in it, kind of like how I've got my hammer here. This brass hammer that I made here several months ago. Put those screws on there like that. That way you can grip onto it a little bit better. So I'll see you guys back in a little bit. Okay, so I've got the handle chucked up in here, and I'm just going in with a groove tool and manually putting these grooves in it. So I've just about got the grooves cut into it. We'll check back in with you here in just a little bit. Alrighty, well, the handle part's done. Got the grooves cut in it, and then got the holes drilled for the bolts and countersunk, or when you put the bolts in, the bolts will sink below the countersunk there, and then I've got the flats milled on the opposite side here. That way the rods will butt flat up against it here. So this is done, aside from a little bit of deburring, and then the only thing left to do is to drill and tap. Well, first we'll cut these down to the exact length and face them off on the lathe to the exact length that I want them, and then drill and tap the ends of them and bolt it together, and it'll be ready to weld onto our stamp, and this thing will be done. So see you guys back with another update. Alright, I've got my rods cut here, got them machined off to length, ended up making them right at 5 inches, and then I've got my holes drilled and tapped for a 1/4 20 bolt. So this is ready to put together. So I'll check back in with you here real quick. Let me put this together and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, there we go. I think that turned out pretty good. We got the socket cap screws sunk, countersunk, where they're not protruding any at all. So the only thing left to do is weld this sucker together, and it'll be a completed project. So we'll get her welded up and we'll show you what it looks like when it's completely done. Alright guys, well here it is, it's done. Got the handle all welded on and everything, so it's ready to ship to Brad. Brad, I hope you like it, buddy. So this is it, done and completed. Well, that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button. If this is your first time on my channel, click subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. We'll see you guys in the next one.
On up to your bullshit. Yeah, it's about that time. Damn, don't you look foolish? Cause you know, I know, you lying. Yeah, right, yeah, right, yeah, right, stop lying. Yeah, right, yeah, right, yeah, right, stop lying. Confrontation is the conversation. Your contact, you're aced it, can't take it, no patience.